The respiratory quotient is also called RQ. The respiratory quotient or RQ value is measure of the ratio of carbon dioxide produced and oxygen consumed by an organism per unit time. The respiratory quotient or RQ value is a measure of the ratio of carbon dioxide produced and oxygen gas consumed by an organism per unit time. The respiratory quotient is a ratio and therefore has no units. Here it is, the respiratory quotient is equal to volume of carbon dioxide produced by volume of oxygen consumed per unit time. The respiratory quotient is a valuable measurement as it provides us with information regarding the nature of the substrate being used by an organism for respiration. The simplified equation for the aerobic respiration of glucose is C6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives 6CO2 plus 6H2O. In this reaction, 6 carbon dioxide molecules are produced and 6 oxygen molecules are consumed. The respiration or respiratory quotient for this reaction is 6CO2 by 6O2 is equal to 1. Means the glucose molecule respiratory quotient value is 1. And some respiratory quotient here. The following table shows the respiratory quotient values for different classes of respiratory substrate when they are used for aerobic respiration. It is respiratory substrate, glucose, fatty acid, protein. The glucose respiratory substrate RQ value is 1.0. The fatty acid respiratory substrate RQ value is 0.7, and the respiratory substrate of protein RQ value is 0.9. Here it is, if any degree of anaerobic respiration occurs, RQ values significantly above a value of 1.0 are obtained. So it is respiratory quotient values in different of respirations.